My name is Michelle, and today I'm going to be reviewing this vacuum here that I got from Walmart. I believe I got it for $58. It is called the Power Force. So yeah, I guess let's get started. I already pre-opened up the box before I started recording. Okay, it comes with instructions here. Okay, here's the instructions here. It comes, let's see, the handle and body, 2 screws, the hose, the lower cord wrap, the dusting brush, the cervic tool, hopefully I'm saying that right, extension wand, and then let's see, it'll seem pretty simple to put together. I mean, it's not a lot of pieces. We only have 2 screws and a handle and a hose. Okay, so I'm gonna put it together. So we have the dusting brush here. And then we have the lower cord wrap. I'm guessing this is kind of like a part where you wrap the cord. It is pretty big. Okay, let me show you guys. So that's what it looks like. Okay, and then I have the handle here, and then it's 2 screws here at the back of the handle. Let's take this off. I should have got some scissors. No, I'm gonna just leave this tape on for right now. Okay. And let's see. We have the hose here. And the last one is this is the civic tool, and then this would be the extension wand. I'm gonna just put it together, guys. Pretty simple. I just basically put this on top here, and then I'm gonna take the screws. Okay, I'm going to use my own screwdriver because it does not come with the screwdriver, and then here. Let me see. I might not be placing my camera right now. Here is a little hole here, and you just put the screw in. And screw it in. Okay, this side. And then I'm gonna do the other side. It's another other side here. And screw that in. Okay, and it's tight. It's not going anywhere. So I forgot to show you guys the filter and how to clean out the vacuum, I guess. So this is it in all its glory. Just the vacuum. So here you have about 5 speeds. You have bare floor, you have 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm guessing if you turn it all the way to the high carpet, like if your carpet is pretty high, thick, you know, use 5. It's gonna pick up, even like suction it even more. Then you have where you keep empty out the dust and the dirt. So you just simply right here at the top it says empty. Excuse my hands, I was painting my my daughter's TV stand. So you just hit that button and then it just releases that. So, and then you can, let's see, I'm sorry. So then you can empty it out from this side. You just empty the dust out like that. And then it says clean filter monthly, replace filter every 3 to 6 months. So you're gonna need a new filter every 3 to 6 months. It is a washable filter, so you can take it off. Let me show you the filter. So you can take it off. This is the filter here. Like, you know, when all of the dust accumulate here, you can take it off. And then you can just rinse it, you know, under tap water. And then just let it sit for 24 hours, you know, before you use it. Okay. And so yeah, I showed you how to release all of the dust. Is right here at the back. You just push that button and then like over the trash can, and then all of the dirt just, you know, come off. Also right here, this little gray part come off too. Like when you really just, you're gonna clean it. So I'm just place that back on here. Okay. And then I'm gonna add on the hose. So you have 2 parts. This part right here goes into this one. Let me set my camera down. sorry, I don't know if you can see that. So what I did was just insert it. Let's see. Insert it and then twist it to lock. Insert it, twist to lock. And then this right here at the top holds on to the hose. And then the one at the bottom, you just push it down. And then I'm just gonna add my extension on it. And then I will add my card holder on it. Sorry. Okay, let's see. I do not know how to add this thing on it like that. Okay, here it is. So put it in there and then twist to lock that as well. And then my brush goes right here on the side. There it is. Here it is. And I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out on this carpet. My carpet is kind of medium. It's pretty, you can't see it too good on camera, but it's dirty in here. So I will attempt to vacuum this. See how good it works. Right now I have it on, I don't want it on high carpet. My carpet is like, it's like a medium, so. Alrighty. Oh, also you can push your feet right there and then it lays out. And then the red button is the power button. You have two buttons here. The gray one is to pull the vacuum back. The red one is to start it. So I'm gonna start it and see how it works. I would say I haven't used the vacuum that long, but I have had this vacuum before, so I would say it's a pretty good vacuum. Long as you clean your filter and you clean it out, it can last you for about 2 years if you clean it out and everything. And the suction is pretty good. For $58. I mean, I would rate it a 1 out of 10. I would say a solid 9. Solid 9. Well, thank you for joining me on this review, and watch out for more videos.